In our micro course on tips and tricks of competitive coding, today we are going to have our third class on tips and tricks of Python for coding. I expect that my participants, my students in my class will have some basic understanding of Python programming. So how to use Python for this problem solving and what are the different tips and tricks we might be using while solving and submitting our course successfully. We shall concentrate on that issue only in this particular class. Please join the class. The link has been given here and use the referral code ORNOP10 for the easy and successful registration of the course. So our topic will be today, that is the tips and tricks of Python for coding. Coding means the competitive coding. I hope that all of you will be joining here. We shall be having lots of fun, lots of knowledge sharing, lots of resource sharing, and it will be the eye opener for you. I shall be discussing all this code in the proper coding demonstration for your easy and comfortable understanding. Thanks for watching this video.